Hello and welcome back to Children's Reading Cove. Let's get ready to read. This is Book 1. Ah. The letter A says ah. T. The letter T says t. And when you put them together, they say at. Get ready to read out loud with me. At. Mat. Sat. Pat. Rat. Bat. Cat. Fat. Hat. Pat. All right, let's read the words together again. This time, you go first and I'll go second. At. Cat. Pat. Fat. Rat. Hat. Bat. Sat. Pat. Mat. Great work! Now go on to read the Fat Cat story and get even more reading practice. Thank you so much for reading along with me and practicing. You are amazing. We'll see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.